Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Future Executives online classes and I am your English teacher. So today we will discuss the words meaning of unit number 2, the red rubber ball. The first word is kick. Kick means to hit something with your foot. You move your leg forward to do it and it usually uses force or power. People kick balls in sports. Sometimes you can kick something by accident. So, what is the meaning of kick? Kick means to hit something or strike. What is the meaning of kick? To hit something or strike. The next word is tag. A tag is a small label or mark. It gives information about something and it can show price, name, or details. For example, a tag on a shirt. So, tags are often attached to clothes. In games, tag means touching someone. Next word is skip. Skip means to move with small jumps. It is a light and happy movement, and your feet leave the ground again and again, and it is not the same as running. Children often skip when they are happy. So, what is the meaning of skip? Skip means jump. So, the next word is bounce. Bounce means to hit and come back up. And it happens when something touches a surface and the object moves up after hitting down. So balls usually bounce well and it repeats again and again. So what is the meaning of bounce? Bounce means spring back. Next word is drop. Drop means to let something fall and it moves from up to down. And it can happen by mistake and it can also be done on purpose. So gravity pulls it down. So what is the meaning of drop? Drop mean to fall. What is the meaning of drop? Drop mean to fall. Next word is canyon. A canyon is a deep valley. It has very high sides and the sides are steep and rocky and it is often made by a river. So the Grand Canyon is a famous example. So what is the meaning of canyon? Canyon mean valley. Next word is stream. A stream is a small river. It is smaller than a big river and water flows slowly in it. It can be found in forests or mountains. Streams can join bigger rivers. So what is the meaning of stream? Stream mean a small river. Next word is cliff. A cliff is a steep rock wall and it goes almost straight down and it is usually very high. So cliffs are found near seas or mountains and it can be dangerous to stand near it. Okay, so what is the meaning of cliff? Cliff mean rock face. Next word is plain. What is the meaning of plain? A plain is a flat land and it is wide and open. So there are no big hills or mountains. So it is a good for farming and many animals live on plains. So what is the meaning of plain? Plain mean flat land or field. Plain mean flat land or field. Next word is lake. What is the meaning of lake? A lake is a large body of water and it is surrounded by land. It is surrounded by land and the water does not flow like a river and lakes can be natural or man-made. Okay, people use lakes for fishing or and boating. So what is the meaning of lake? Lake mean pond. What is the meaning of lake? Lake mean pond. So this is all. I hope you understand all this meaning and thanks for watching this video.
Future executive school built on vision, values, and belief.